Hi. We have a bunny puzzle today. Let's start. First, let's pick one piece. Let's find number 2 piece. 2. Let's find number 3 piece. 3. Let's find number 4 piece. 4. Now let's find number 5 piece. 5. Good job. Let's find 6 piece now. 6. Let's find number 7 piece now. 7. Next we have number 8. 8. After 8 we have 9. 9. And finally we have number 10 piece. 10. Done. Let's just count one more time the numbers. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. We are done. Thank you for your help. See you next time. Please subscribe.